GoTo Resolve is designed to help businesses streamline their IT operations, but how well does it actually deliver? Stick with me as we dive into how GoTo Resolve could enhance your IT management, the features it offers, and some honest feedback on where it might fall short. By the end, I'll also be sharing some alternatives that might just be a better fit for your business needs. Let's jump right into it. GoTo Resolve is primarily known for offering remote IT support and simplifying device management. Its standout feature is the ability to quickly access remote computers, troubleshoot issues, and manage multiple devices from a central platform. This is great for businesses that don't have in-house IT staff or need external support for their operations. Next thing, GoTo Resolve also provides a solid set of tools for automation. You can schedule tasks, update software, and patch devices automatically, helping your IT team focus on more critical issues. However, the tool can sometimes struggle with complex integrations. For some businesses, setting up and connecting it to all the necessary systems may not be as smooth as advertised. The third thing I want to mention is GoTo Resolve's ticketing system, which is decent but could use more flexibility. It's built to handle requests from users, but the interface can feel a bit clunky, and there isn't as much customization available as you might expect for a platform that positions itself as an all-in-one IT solution. It's functional, but not the most intuitive. Now, let's talk about security. GoTo Resolve offers a variety of security features like device encryption and secure remote sessions, which are essential for businesses looking to keep their IT operations protected. But depending on your needs, you might find some of these features limited. For example, larger organizations may require more advanced security layers, and GoTo Resolve doesn't provide those out of the box. The fifth thing to consider is pricing. GoTo Resolve isn't the cheapest option, and if your business needs only a few remote support features, you might end up paying for a lot of extras you don't need. While it's competitive for a mid-range solution, small businesses on a budget could be better off looking at alternatives that focus more on cost efficiency. Now, here's the important part. While GoTo Resolve has some solid features, it may not be the best fit for every business. If you're focused on enhancing your IT operations with more comprehensive management and automation tools, there are alternatives that might be more suited to your needs. We'll get into that in a moment, but before we do, I want to let you know that I've got an exclusive and extended free trial for GoTo Resolve for those who want to give it a test run. Just follow the link in the description to access the best free trial and benefits that are only available to my viewers. But here's the catch, there are alternatives that might suit your business better. I'm talking about software that offers more customization, better integrations, and enhanced security, all while being more cost-effective. So, if GoTo Resolve isn't quite hitting the mark, stick around for the recommendations coming up next. These alternatives also come with free trials, so you can try them risk-free and see which one truly enhances your IT operations. So, if you're ready to explore better options for your business, head to the link in the description for an exclusive deal on GoTo Resolve's trial, and check out the alternatives that I believe could give you a better experience.